Oh, that man. What is it? Suzuki what?
How it works?
Is it Australian delivered?
No, it's not.
Jade.
It's a K car.
K car, yeah.
Cool.
K
Oh,
car.
Alto.
Yeah.
Dito pay. Cash.
Hey.
Hi, pera ate.
Oh, you got this.
Dito na kami. Dito na kami sa car show event. Hanap na kami kung saan namin. Ito, this one you don't like here? Ang dami tumitingin sa sasakyan namin. Hindi nila alam kami may-ari niyan. Wow, Lamborghini Pera. Look at the car. They don't need. They know that it's a 600cc. So, ang dami tumitingin ng car namin kasi 600 lang siya. How many is that? 600? 660cc.
Just bigger than a Coke bottle.
Oh, mas malaki lang daw kasi siya ng konti sa Coke bottle kaya ang weird lang pa. Oh, ang dami talaga tumitingin ng car namin. O, lalakad pa kami. Uy, titignan niyo pa yung likod. Hindi pa sila content. Sienna, there's a lot looking our car.
The Jera Evolution, oh.
Jera Evolution? Oh, Pajero.
Yeah, but it's the Evolution. It's like a
Uh-uh.
it's like a rally one.
Still looking the car there. Walking is like going there.
It's the only one, I think.
Dami talaga tumitingin sa car. Curious. They're curious really what's the look of it. Maybe they want to park here. Nakaalis dito. Andito pa rin ako. Yeah, I hear it. Uy, Sienna daw open. Nandito pa rin kami kasi ang dami tumitingin.
But I don't want to leave the bonnet open.
I can hear the racing car. Siya, o, diba? Curious sila kung anong meron sa car. Nakakatuwa lang. O, diba lahat sila may mga face? Nagsama-sama sila dyan. O, ha? Balik na tayo sa tatay. Actually, nandito lang yung car namin. Nandito. Ang dami pa rin tumitingin. Ayun, o. Hindi kami makaalis. Ayan.
Or is it right in the back? This is a
The favorite of the Philippines, that car. Oo.
Size engine 660. It's in the back.
600? Ah, same as us. 600cc. Ah, it's a K-car that? Oh. It's a K-car this also pala. But it's two-seater only?
Look at this color. It's like a purple but light purple. The color is purple light purple.
Ayun, ang cute ng decoration niya. May bats. Hindi ko makita sa loob. This one is the cherry blossom paint. O, diba? Wala lang. Pero sit lang yung car. Yan yung mga bata.
What is the sticker on this?
Sino the baby?
It's not a baby. It's a Hezbollah. It's a Hezbollah. It's a Egypt. It's a baby.
1960.
For sale daw. Isipin nyo na guys. 21,000. There's, yung mga car dito, iba napansin ko, sinasamantala. Ginagawang for sale.
Still racing the cars.
Still racing. Ang daming tao
Like
guys.
this is all the
Oops.
cars the same here.
Oo nga, they should put in here. Let's go. Mga park for sale pala yung nilagay dito sa kabilang side. Ayos eh. Oo. I don't know, don't know, I'm just following you, but I don't know where you're going. This one super long naman and big. I really?
Look, the sticker. There's a dog.
It's nice. Pero, they get the roof. Why is not the pull up? Yung konti lang yung car na nagpunta. Kasi parang uulan kasi eh.
Okay, how you up?
Yeah.
And the door here.
Wait, you look Peira. Oh, yeah, it's big.
And then it's only $5. Like it's super nice.
Friend of mine I haven't seen for years. He built one of these.
I just came again.
Look at the car, Peira. What if it's our car is like that?
This one, the engine in the back.
Peira, careful, maybe you will fall. Wait lang.
Yeah.
You want to look the engine also, she's interested in it.
Engine. Pati tuloy siya nakikilok na ng engine.
Selling toys there, they're selling for the garage.
Wait lang, look, Peira.
The one James Bond.
This one?
Oh, the movie.
Peira, you want to take a picture there? It's nice the car, red
Where's the
car.
fly with the ball? The one.
Me and Peira, take a picture.
This thing.
Ayun pa sa likod yung mga Lamborghini. Oo. There's a in the back pa there. This is... Ah. Pero don't keep moving ha, you will fall. It's for sale daw this guy. Pero maybe you will fall. Oh, $145,000. Bilhin nyo na. Oh, go walking. Look at this car, oh. Pero I will lock you. Look at the side of this. It's nice. This one, oh. Why is so deep like this?
Yeah,
Ah. Yan yung dikod. Ayan yung magtatay. Dito na kami sa may food cart area, food trucks. Nandun yung doon yung mga car show. At least dito may mga kainan. At least 'di ba naglagay sila ng kainan. Ayan may mga choices ka. Nag-toilet kami ni Pere. Marami rin yung toilet nila. At least may allotted silang toilet. Siguro mga yun. 12 toilet o 15. 15 na portable toilet. Ayun yung orange doon. Hinaantay lang namin sila, Wayne. Kasi nag-toilet kami din namin kung saan sila nagpunta. Ito si Pera. Waiting. There, your dad. Pera. Para siyang kurtina sa loob. Ay, tingnan mo yung inuminan nila sa loob. Ayun Tray. Improvise. No vacancy. No vacancy hotel. Ito rin maganda. Ito naman may place sa loob. Kala mo lagi may tao. Okay, pero I will go there to you. Go!
You can see
I will, you will look it, the rat.
the rat.
Ah, skeleton rat there.
There's the eyes, there's the mouth.
Look, but please don't touch.